Ancient texts whisper of a fifth spirit, a force beyond the realms of ice and snow. While we often think of the four elements, earth, water, air, and fire, this elusive spirit embodies the essence of balance and harmony. It represents the unseen connections that bind us to nature and each other. Imagine a presence that transcends the physical, guiding us through the harshest winters and the warmest summers. This spirit teaches us resilience, reminding us that even in the coldest times, life persists. It's a call to honor the hidden energies that shape our world, urging us to seek unity in diversity.